OpenAI just announced they're rolling out ads to their 900 million weekly users. And I'm gonna show you why this is the biggest opportunity since Facebook ads in 2012, and exactly how to get ahead before your competitors even know what's happening. The early days of any ad platform are where you make the real money. When Facebook ads first launched, you could acquire customers for pennies. It was same with Google, it was same with TikTok. The businesses that moved first built empires from those ad platforms. And the ones that waited are now paying 10 times for the same results, for the same eyeballs. ChatGPT ads are about to follow the exact same pattern. And right now you have maybe 6 months before every agency and business piles in and the price goes through the roof. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what OpenAI announced and why this platform will be different from anything we have seen before, and the specific steps you can take right now to be ready when ads go fully live. I've spent over $800,000 on Meta ads, and I'm telling you, this is the opportunity I wish I had when I first started. But first, let me show you something that will blow your mind about why ChatGPT advertising is going to be unlike anything we have seen before. You know, on Meta ads, you are paying for attention. It has the best targeting. You create an ad, throw it someone's face while they're scrolling cat videos, and you try to make the video engaging so people click on the ad instead of watching cat videos. And in Google, you are paying per click, like intent, trying to capture demand that already exists. Both platforms work. I have made a lot of money on them. But these platforms have a fundamental problem. On Meta, people don't trust ads. And on Google, you are paying for the same keywords as everyone else. ChatGPT ads combine the best of both worlds, plus something neither platform has. First, targeting. Now you can go to ChatGPT and ask, who am I? And you can see the response. It knows your profession, your interests, the problems you are trying to solve, the products you have been researching. It's been learning from every conversation you have had. That's the targeting Meta is known for. And that's the targeting why people run ads on Meta. The second feature of ChatGPT ads is intent, and it takes it from Google. When someone asks ChatGPT, like, what is the best project management tool for a remote team or for a physical product, that's someone ready to buy, right? That's someone researching, like Google level intent. And third, this is the most important for ChatGPT, is trust. People trust ChatGPT like they trust a friend. When ChatGPT recommends something, it doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like an advice from someone who actually understands their situation, right? So now think about it. You combine this insane targeting of Meta with high intent of Google, with the built-in trust that ChatGPT already has. This is what happens when now basically discovery, intent, and trust collapses in each other into one single moment. And right now, OpenAI is playing safe. They will put the ads at the bottom of the responses, like you can see. This is an exact image the OpenAI shared. This is the exact image OpenAI shared. Like they put the ads at the bottom of the screen and they will label it as an ad clearly. They have to do this because they need to maintain the trust while they get people used to seeing ads in ChatGPT. But I can see where it's going. Every ad platform follows the same playbook. They start conservative, and then they slowly blend ads into the usual product experience until users can't tell the difference. Like you can see, when Google first started showing ads, they had these obvious yellow ad badges. But now it's just a tiny gray word, which 90% of people don't even notice. The same thing happened with Instagram as well. The sponsored posts on Instagram looked completely different from the organic content. But now they are identical except for one small sponsored word. ChatGPT will follow the exact same pattern. And here is how I see it playing out. Phase 1, ads are at the bottom, like clearly labeled, separate from the actual answer. Phase 2, and it's coming soon, the sponsored label will get smaller. Ads will start appearing mid-responses instead of just at the bottom. And phase 3, which I think it's inevitable, sponsored products get woven directly into ChatGPT's recommendations. Like, based on your needs, I would recommend X. And X is a paid placement, a product. So the line between the genuine recommendation, the trust, and the advertisement will disappear completely. It's inevitable. So this is the personal angle. This is what everyday people will experience. But there is also an economical angle which I think matters for you more as a business owner. Now, like I mentioned, every ad platform when they first launched follows the same economic pattern. In the early days, they will have a massive user base compared to advertisers. which means the acquisition costs are very cheap. And conversions are insanely high because people have not developed that ad blindness yet. When Facebook ads first launched, you could get customers for pennies, but now you are fighting over the same audiences. It's the same audiences as 10 years ago. You are paying 10 times more for the same audience, for the same eyeballs. And for the ChatGPT, it will be 900 million weekly users compared to basically zero advertisers because it will be brand new. And of course, that ratio will slowly shift because I'm saying slowly because big companies are risk averse. They need to see case studies like proven ROI metrics, legal approval from their board, from their executives. That process takes 6 to 12 months minimum at enterprise scale. So if you are running a business or managing ads for your clients, the next 6 to 12 months are your window. Now this is a great news, but it also includes a problem. Right now or in the following weeks, if you want to run ChatGPT ads, you have zero visibility into what's working. Like what formats convert or what copy performs or what questions to target. You don't know anything. With Meta, you can just go to ad library and you can see exactly what your competitors are running. Like every single ad they were launched. With Google, you got keyword tools, auction insights, you got Google Ads Transparency Center, like all that competitive data, competitive advantage right there. But with ChatGPT, you get nothing. You are just guessing. That's the best thing you can do, at least for this stage. It's a big problem because the businesses that win in digital advertising are the ones who can see what's already working and do it better. And you can't run ads without the competitive intelligence because you will be basically just guessing. Like the targeting to copy the offers, and guessing, gets expensive fast because you don't know what's working. Now, this is exactly why I am building AdConvo.ai. It's the first platform specifically designed for AI advertising. It has two core components. First is competitive intelligence. It will have a Chrome extension that captures ads across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude. Also, you will see what competitors are running, what formats they are using, which ads have been live the longest. Like an ad running for 60 days is not 100%, but probably making money. That's the intel you can actually use. And second, creation tools. We analyze your product and compare that information with our data and generate the exact questions your customers are asking AI assistants. And create ad copy variations built for conversational commerce. ChatGPT ads are new, so we need to use the formats that will actually work on that platform specifically. We can't use the exact Meta or Google formats. So basically you find what works and you create what converts. If you want to be 100% ready for the biggest advertising opportunity of the decade, you can join the AdConvo waitlist and be one of the early access users. You will get early access when we launch, get founder pricing, and as well as a free trial. So you will be the first to know when ChatGPT ads go live with strategies that allow you to spy on competitors and create winning ads. Link is in the description, it takes 5 seconds to sign up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with more updates.